everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have a mystery bag for you, but I know what's in it. And then I'm going to share with you DIY Nail Shack. I'm going to do this bag first. I waited probably 2 weeks for this. This came from New Zealand. And the company is XO Beauty. And this is a, larger YouTuber, ShaaanXO. Her and her husband have, run her own XO Beauty. I did order 2 things just because I was very, very curious and wanted to give them a try. I love to watch her channel, and I like her own products, and she does demo all her own brand products, so that made me happy. So I have these 3 items are right here. And we'll do this first. So this is the XO Beauty by ShaaanXO. You can see that right there. There's a picture of her, so you guys know her. This is the Luxe tanning mitt. Tanning mitt is a tanning mitt in my opinion. Let's see what this feels like. Oh, that feels like a lot nicer than some of the ones you get. Ooh, I like that. And of course, with that, I did get self-tanner. Now, I was concerned because this was coming from New Zealand. I'm like, oh my goodness, how's this packaged well? I knew it was going to take some time to get here. It was not going to arrive in a few days or even like a week for that matter. I did track it. Sat in customs for a little bit. Then, leaving their country. And then it hit, LA. Obviously, it's going to come in on the West Coast. New Zealand is closer to the West Coast. And it sat in LA customs for a few days. And once it was released from customs, no problem. It only took, I think, another day, couple days, maybe 2-3 days to get here. Which, like I said, I did not expect it to come anytime quick because it was coming from so far away. So this is the vegan self-tanning foam. And, she has her picture on it. It is XO Beauty by ShaaanXO. And I like this is vegan foam. It gives you, it's tiny. I'll have to get out my little magnifier. Professional quality, quick dry formula, cruelty-free, streak-free, vegan. And this is just, the bottle feels nice. The packaging is nice. Obviously it's a pump. So I am very excited to try this. I've been wanting to do a self-tanner. I know the summer's almost over, but this perfect time then. I just couldn't find one that I liked. And I'm not, like, the people that were recommending products that they used, like, I look at their self-tan after, and I can see, like, a light orangey tint, or it's too brown, too fake-looking, too unrealistic. So I've seen her use it, and I've seen it on her skin tone, and she's like fairly, light skin toned, like fair. I wouldn't even go to medium. I mean, she might be fair to medium, but she's more on the fair side of her skin tone, and this looks beautiful on her. So, and she has, shown demos, obviously, not full, complete demos, but I like the way it looks on her, and I know that she's not going to put out a product that is not good. So I was excited to try that. Like I said, so I could have ordered things from Amazon or got this brand or that brand, but I just didn't like the way it was showing up on other creators. So I'm like, ooh. And then finally I realized, oh wait, she has one. Let me go look at her videos again on her self-tanner. And then I was like, okay, I was fine. The other product I got was one of her lipsticks, and this is a cream lipstick from XO Beauty. And this is in the shade Rescue Me. And I love that everything is like match the shade. This is the tube, nice plain silver tube. Her XO Beauty's on the top. And I think this is so pretty. Look at this. Great color for me. I'll give it a little swatch. I was concerned about this because we were running into some heat. And I was like, no. But right, perfect shape. There it is. And I will be rocking this in my next video. I'll get rid of this pink color and put this one on. Love it. And it looks nice. There's, like I said, and then inside you have the XO. She has a ton of shades, and this is a cream lipstick, so I'm excited. Very first ShaaanXO product. XO Beauty, I should say. But once again, look at that. The little bit of color. I mean, I won't get too much color on my face. I mean, I won't put the self tanner on my face anyway. But, you know, I could, you know, obviously if you come up to your neck, you know, you just bronze a little bit to make it all match. But I think that will be a perfect shade for me. I love a pink or a nude. She doesn't have like 100 shades, but I have a feeling I'll own many, many more. Very affordably priced. I will list all the prices down in my description box. I don't have, it's all on my laptop. And to bring that over here to give you prices would have been a little bit difficult. It's plugged in right now, charging. So I'll just list everything in the description box. I'm excited for all this. That lipstick, it just got a light sheen to it, but it looks, definitely does look creamy. It looks nice on. Nice match for my skin, and I'm super excited to try this, so I'll keep you updated at the end of the month with my updates, what I thought about those products. So once again, so excited to try XO Beauty from ShaaanXO here on YouTube, and she's on all social media. Next up is DIY Nail Shack. I received a little package the other day. Let's see what's in here. So Nail Shack is $13.95 for the adult pack, $11.95 for kid packs, and then you can get mommy and me packs for $13.95. You get 2 sets for mom, 2 sets for child. So in all the packs you receive 4 full sets of wraps, 1 cuticle pusher, 1 nail file, which you see right here. Nice little package. So we'll take that off. And then she includes you know, the instruction paper where you can find them, little tips and tricks, which is very nice to include. And I love the pink theme. Love me some pink. Let me get a glimpse at these. Oh, these are pretty. Ooh, love. So these first ones are, it's hard for me to tell under these lights. They kind of look brown, but they look like they're more like purple base. I'm not real sure, but they look like some of them are, why are some, they look like they're ombre a little bit, but that's, this next set is really cute. Love that. Some purples and some like teals, lots of sparkle. This set is adorable. Love that one too. Greens with the light like corally pink almost, and I would probably say these are my favorite right here. These are on the top. I was like, wow, nice blue, and that is either a deep navy or a black base with the same color blue design in it. Awesome. Love these. Always excited to get these. They're so nice. I love them for accents. I have not used them in a while, but I do share them. I'll put them in giveaways and stuff like that. So thank you to Deanna for sending this out to me. Greatly appreciated. Always a great set. You get 4 sets. You could change them out every week. Now, they will last longer than a week, so you could get maybe 2 months out of this and just do 2 sets. Do 2 1 month to the next, because you can, you know, I always will seal stuff like that with my own top coat. And you can put that on like a week later and just seal it back down. I mean, I'm in a lot of water a lot of time, but, you know, washing dishes and doing this, doing that. And they do hold up. Now, nothing's going to hold up to heavy duty cleaning. Your nails are going to get trashed. I mean, my own nails will get trashed with polish. Sometimes even with gloves on. And I'm not a big glove person anyway. But they do last, I would say, at least 2 weeks. You could change them out every week. You could share these with, you know, I don't know if the kids' packs maybe are smaller, but if they're not, and your child's nails are small or your nails are small, you could cut them in half and make this last for 2 times. It just really depends on, you know, the size of your nail. If you keep them super short, if your nail's tiny anyway, things like that. Like I would not be able to do 2 sets. It would just be 1, and you just take it over the edge. So you cover your, you know, your leading edge, and then you just file the rest off. Sometimes you can clip most of it and just give it a quick little file with the file. And I always, like I said, seal it with the top coat. It makes it last longer. So I appreciate all you watching today. Have a great day. I'm so excited to try the XO Beauty products. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye now.